Alright, this one was really weird. I noticed some birds that are towards the right front flying in and out of that hump. So I focused in on it. Problem was there's a bunch of UFOs popping up around it, and those birds were acting really weird. You just got to keep an eye out. Check it out. Enjoy. Tell me what you think. This one's really odd. Here's a close up of those UFOs that are popping up. This was really weird. It's almost like the birds were flying out of this reality and back into another.